Hi everybody, I hope you're all having a good day so far. Today we're going to be talking about note values. So as you can see in the picture on the screen, there are several different types of notes. These notes all have different durations, known as note values. So what are the different types of notes? Well, the notes that we'll be looking at today are the whole note, half note, and quarter note. So all of these notes relate to each other, and here's just a little graphic about how they relate. So a whole note is equal to 2 half notes. A whole note is also equal to 4 quarter notes. And then a half note is equal to 2 quarter notes. So there's two ways that you can kind of look at that with this little flow chart, and then also with the pie graph to the right. So the whole note is totally full. The half note is half full, and the quarter is just 1/4 full. So the first note that we'll really be looking at is the whole note. The whole note is the longest note in most music. It is an open note with no stem, and one whole note is equal to the duration of 4 quarter notes. So again, we have this little infographic over here showing us that the whole note is the whole pie chart. The next note is the half note, which is an open note, see it's not filled in, with a stem, and 2 half notes equal the length of a whole note. 1 half note is equal to the length of 2 quarter notes. So again, our pie chart shows us that 1 half note is half the value that the whole note is. So if you put 2 half notes together, that's equal to 1 whole note. And then finally we have the quarter note, which is a filled note with a stem. So 2 quarter notes equal the length of a half note. 4 quarter notes equal the length of a whole note. So you can see in the pie chart that the quarter note is 1/4 of the circle, and if you had another quarter note, that would be the same as the half note. If you had 3 more quarter notes, that would be the same length as the whole note. So just to review our vocabulary really quickly, a note value is the duration or length of a note. Different notes have different durations or note values. And some essential details about note values is that the longest note value is a whole note, which is equal to the duration of 4 quarter notes. 2 half notes equal the duration of 1 whole note. A half note is equal to the duration of 2 quarter notes. 2 quarter notes equal the duration of a half note. 4 quarter notes equal the duration of a whole note. So get some practice recognizing the different note values and how many goes into which, and then work on your understanding of how they are related to one another. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out with questions. Here's the contact information. Thank you for watching.